Hi and welcome again to my channel. We shall be solving this exponential equation in today's video. That's 5 over 6 to the power of 1 minus x. On the right hand side, 36 over 25. 36 is 6 squared, while 25 is 5 squared. Everything to the power of x minus 1. Now recall that when we have a to the power of m over b to the power of m, it is a over b to the power of m. That is used to simplify 6 squared over 5 squared, so that we have on the left hand side still 5 over 6 to the power of 1 minus x, while on the right hand side it is 6 over 5 everything squared. Then to another power, which is x minus 1. There's another law of exponent where we have power of a power. That's a to the power of m raised to power n is a to the power of the product of mn. So that is applied to 2 and x minus 1. Thus we have 5 over 6 to the power of 1 minus x on the left equals to 6 over 5 on the right, and all to the power of 2 times x is 2x, then minus 2 times 1, which is 2. But 5 over 6 can actually be expressed as the reciprocal of 6 over 5. Therefore, the left-hand side of the equation can be written as 1 over 6 over 5. That's the reciprocal of 6 over 5. That to the power of 1 minus x, while the right-hand side is 6 over 5 to the power of 2x minus 2 as it is. Also, the reciprocal of a number can be written as the inverse of the number. That's 1 over k can be expressed as k to the power of minus 1. That is applied to the reciprocal of 6 over 5. So that's 6 over 5 to the power of negative 1, then to the power of 1 minus x, while the right hand side is maintained as it is. Also, distributing negative 1, we have 6 over 5. That's on the left hand side to the power of negative 1 plus x. And the right hand side remains 6 over 5 to the power of 2x minus 2. And at this stage, we can equate the exponents since the bases 6 over 5 on both sides are the same. So we equate the exponent. And when we equate the exponents, we have negative 1 plus x on the left equal to 2x minus 2 on the right. Then we subtract x from both sides so that we have negative 1 on the left, x on the right, that's for 2x minus x, then minus 2. Also, we add 2 rather to both sides. And when we add 2, negative 1 plus 2 is 1, and on the right is x. That means x is actually equal to 1. And I believe you enjoyed today's math tutorial. Please kindly subscribe to this channel, like and share the video. Thanks.